For the first time in the 2000-year history of the Holy Catholic Church, the holy face of Jesus has appeared during the Holy Eucharist. Beyond the image imprinted on Veronica's veil during Jesus' earthly life, and beyond the imprint on the holy shroud that once covered his physical body, his holy face has now appeared on the sacred host itself 2 millennia later. The significance of this miraculous event is beyond the grasp of words. Just as Simeon once beheld the holy face with his own eyes, we too are now granted the grace to witness it in our time. This is the greatest blessing of living in this era. The official proclamation of this great miracle that took place in Vlacano will be made by the Apostolic Nuncio to India, Archbishop Leopoldo Giurelli, on May 31st, 2025. Let us prepare ourselves in prayer and devotion and enthrone the holy face of Jesus in our hearts as we participate in this historic and sacred moment.